Before it's ever built, it's imagined. One line, one vision, born on a screen, destined for the road. From digital dream to sculpted form, the tourbillon takes shape under the hands of masters and machines. Every curve is reinforced with carbon, stronger than steel, lighter than breath. This isn't a body, it's armor. At its core, a V16 hybrid engine, precision-built, brutally elegant. Not just powerful, intelligent. In the wind, it learns to fly. In fire, it learns to survive. Aerodynamics aren't added, they're engineered. Inside, it's not a cabin. It's a cockpit, leather, crystal, and light, designed to respond before you even speak. Now it lives. Systems awaken, lights pulse, and the machine exhales its first breath, thunder. This isn't just a car, it's a prophecy fulfilled. The tourbillon, not made to compete, made to conquer.